In this video, I'm going to show you how to check company reviews on Glassdoor. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, you must find a company you would like to check the reviews of. So, for example, let's say you're searching through the jobs over here and you actually found the company. The easiest way to do this is by just basically clicking on the company's name, and it's going to take you to a separate tab where you can then go ahead and continue. Okay, so of course, you could go over here, and then on here it says overview, and next to it, it says reviews. So just click on the reviews tab. It's going to take you over to where you can basically read and see the reviews of the company you're actually exploring right now. And then down here, if you scroll down, you can see kind of the general reviews, and then you'll be able to see some specifics, some pros, cons down here. You could also filter them over here, and there's going to be a bunch of things over here you can read through and basically see these reviews from different people. Okay, now of course you could do that, or you could go to companies up top, and then you could actually search for a company in here. So in case you haven't found it elsewhere, you could just come here and then search for a specific company, or just scroll down and see where it is. So for example, let's say I'm going into, I don't know, let's do a Microsoft. I can click on Microsoft here. It's going to open up in a separate tab again, and then you'll be able to explore it the same way we were able to do it earlier by clicking on reviews over here. I don't know why this opened a separate tab here, but whatever. So you get the point. You can just click on it, and then you can click on the review button, and it's going to basically show you the reviews for that specific company. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.